Dear students, welcome to the another video of Eduins. Today we will discuss about the defects of vision and their corrective measures. So what are the defects? There have four types of defects primarily in case of human. Number one is myopia, number two is hyperopia, number three is presbyopia, and number four is cataract. So what are they? First one, that is myopia. This is also known as near sightedness. Also short sightedness. That is myopia, also known as near or short sightedness. What happens in this? This is for the problem in distant vision. That a myopia affected person cannot able to see the distant object. Why? Because if this is the eye, this is lens, these are the suspensory ligament, and this is ciliary body. Okay, so we know there have three types of layer in the eye, that is scleroid, number two is choroid, and the innermost is the retina. The image actually form in the layer, that is retina, and the specific site which is known as yellow spot. Yellow spot. Okay, so the image is actually formed in the yellow spot in case of normal vision. But in case of myopia affected person, this image is formed before the retina. That's why they are unable to see the distant object, and this is corrected by the concave lens. So what are the points? First one is the problem in distant vision. Number two, the image is formed before the retina. And number three, it is corrected by using concave lens. Okay, so this is myopia. Next one is the hyperopia. What is hyperopia? This is also known as far sightedness. In hyperopia, the person affected to hyperopia unable to see the near objects. In case of myopia, it was the distant object, and in case of hyperopia, this is the near object. And the image is actually formed behind the retina. Behind the retina. So the image is formed behind the retina. Okay, how this is can be corrected? The hyperopia, this is also known as hyperometropia. Metropia is corrected by using convex lens. Which one? Convex lens. So this is about the hyperopia. What is hyperopia? When a person unable to see the near objects. Why? Because the image is formed behind the retina, and this is can be corrected by the using convex lens. Next one is the presbyopia. In case of presbyopia, this is occurs in old person. They are unable to see the near objects. Okay, blur vision. Blur vision, as well as lose the flexibility of lens. This is occurs mainly after 40 years. 40 years. Okay, how it can be corrected? By using, this can be corrected confocal lens or contact lens. Okay, this is in case of presbyopia. The last one is the cataract. This is actually the opaque in lens. The lens get damaged. So this can be corrected by the operation or change or transfer the cornea. Okay, so these are the 4 types of diseases or defective visions in case of humans. What are they? That is myopia, which is the nearsightedness, and this is for the distant vision problem. The hyperometropia, this is near vision problem. The presbyopia is for the old person after 40 years. They are unable to see the near objects, that is blur vision, and also lose the flexibility of the lens. And in case of cataract, the lens get damaged, that is opaque lens. The lens get white. The lens get white. We know lenses are transparent, but the lens get a white color. That's why they are unable to see any objects. Why? Because the light cannot pass through the lens. So that's all for the today's video. If you have any doubts, you may ask in our comment section. We will definitely discuss it in our next video. And if you like to get more such informative video, you may subscribe our YouTube channel Eduins, and also don't forget to follow our Facebook page Eduins. Thank you.
Eduins, learn, grow, succeed.